In this video, we present our mixed reality remote collaboration system that combines 360 panorama with a static 3D reconstructed scene. A local worker can easily share his surroundings using a 360 camera to a remote expert worker from a separate location. Alternatively, the remote expert worker can roam freely in a static version of the environment through a 3D reconstructed model that was prepared beforehand. The system also allows both workers to share visual cues with each other to further enhance their collaborative experience, such as head avatar, visual cues, and view awareness cue. A remote expert worker can make use of the 360 video sharing to provide synchronous collaboration to the local worker, for example, using visual cues to show the view direction or rear pointer to make nonverbal communication. On another side, the visual cues would appear simultaneously on the local worker view in augmented reality. This enables the local worker to work closely together with the remote expert worker to achieve collaboration. While using a static 3D reconstructed scene can provide high level of contextual understanding for the remote expert worker, it can be challenging if some details of the environment needs changing over time. To overcome this, we mark some corner of the environment as a vantage point, allowing the remote expert worker to access them. These are represented as a bubble sphere made from 360 panorama images and were embedded on the 3D scene. We use two modes for visualizing the vantage point. In 360 projection mode, the remote expert worker can point and click on the button on VR controller at any bubble sphere to visualize it. This updates the texture of the 3D scene using the image source of the bubble sphere with texture projection mapping. While it is impossible to texture projection map the occluded walls or floors, we instead make use of those occlusions to provide an enlarged texture of the vantage point. Using this, the remote expert worker can switch between the bubble sphere to view different vantage points. This also updates the texture of the 3D environment accordingly. Combined with the live 360 video sharing and 3D scene, the remote expert worker can provide instruction to the local worker to achieve remote collaboration. On the opposite, the 360 image mode allows the remote expert worker to immerse into the 360 scene version of the image for the simpler and cleaner view without going closer at it in order to see them. It allows the remote expert worker to quickly navigate between different vantage points of the scene for collaboration. We conducted a user study recruiting 26 participants around the campus where they participated in a pair and they took turns with their role and conditions. The user study was based on evaluating upon the user experience, collaborative experience, cognitive load, and system usability based on 360 projection mode and 360 image mode. To find out more of the result, please refer to our paper and the submission.